Namaste, and welcome to your prenatal asana series. We are practicing the most loved asana in the yogic tradition, and that is Shavasana, the corpse pose. The corpse pose in pregnancy is mostly practiced as side Shavasana or the side corpse pose. This can be practiced during entire pregnancy, hence it's extremely helpful in releasing the tension from the mind, from the body. It regulates the entire nervous system, releases any negative thoughts that are happening, allows the body to ease down completely, allows the blood circulation to be easeful. It also allows the whole body, upper body, lower body, every part of the body to completely relax. And it's the best position to practice during the Yoga Nidra, or specifically the side Shavasana is very helpful as a sleeping position for the pregnant women. So specifically, lying down onto the left side is very much suggestive for the women in their prenatal phase, and sleeping towards their left-hand side is suggestive during the prenatal phase. Now in the side Shavasanas, it's more comfortable if it's done with one pillow kept in between both the knees. So we'll practice both variations today just to showcase. And it's important to be mindful that in third trimester, the women are not comfortable lying on their back. So the simple variation of the Shavasana, where we simply lie down on the back, can be actually difficult to practice for women in third trimester. So either if you're asking them to lie down on their back for a longer period, maybe a Shavasana after a yoga class, or you are suggesting them to lie down on their back in Shavasana during the Yoga Nidra process, if they are comfortable, they can bend their knees and stay in that position as long as possible. Otherwise, it's only suggestive to practice side Shavasana during the pregnancy period. So the way we practice is simply lie down on our back. As I am in my third trimester, so I will keep my knees bent. And a usual Shavasana is where both legs are spread wide, arms are spread wide, and then you're just simply relaxing. As it's not comfortable to lie down in Shavasana after 6 months, so what we practice is side Shavasana. And that too, specifically on the left-hand side, is far more beneficial. So just to practice this, come on to your left side, take the pillow in between the legs, giving the support to the head with other hand, or you can straighten one hand and simply relaxing. One pillow can also be kept underneath the head if you're suggesting this posture for a Yoga Nidra or as a sleeping posture. And this can be very comfortable and relaxing and allows the women to breathe more and calm down after a long yoga session. To come out, gently release the pillow. Take the support of the floor and the hand, and then come. Even though this is the easiest asana in the yoga, but being mindful of particular personal, each woman's personal preferences and each woman's personal comfort is very important. Sometimes they can have a lot of back pain, low back pain, so hence lying down is not at all comfortable for them. So always suggest them to listen to their body and do as per what is the comfort of their body, their belly, and the baby. Thank you.